video tutorial, we will see how to print left angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with a space characters. Those space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Those space characters are appended with number characters. Those number characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here in this pattern, along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here, I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition is false and our iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we require one more variable j and nested while j minus 1 less than 4 minus I. And at the end of nested while, we are going to increase j value by 1. So let's print the space characters. Here we are going to combine two space characters multiply by I. So this is going to print 0 space in the first line, then 2 space, then 4, then 6 and 8 space. Here the space characters and number characters are in the same line. To print the number characters in the same line, we are going to use end parameter without any value. So let's print the number characters. To print number characters, we are going to use 1 plus I plus j logic and separate them with space character. After printing spaces and number, we want to begin from the next line. For that, we are going to use print method without any value outside this nested while loop. So run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. This is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number left angle triangle pattern.